unum. Out of many, one. Our constitution recognizes our diversity. It pronounces itself very elaborately. It encourages communities to manage their own affairs, require provisions of proximate and easily accessible public services, and promote decentralization. There is no ethnic angle to this quest. We just want fairness, justice, and an end to discrimination. Exactly. Yes, that is all we want.
Karoli, sorry.
There are two other additional minor myths. One, that we are promoting this so that each one of us here could go back and become governors. I just throw it back to you. This process you are stewarding here is creating certain public offices. I do not want to accuse any of you for being here to create a position that you will occupy later. I don't think that is the case. If it doesn't apply to you, it should not apply to us. Yes. Yes? Are we together? And then there is the other one, that the new counties will promote corruption. You hear that myth. Yeah? If that is the case, then we should do away with all the counties. We should even do away with the national government. We should even do away with the police service because they are ranked as the most corrupt. But we've never said we are going to stop having the country Kenya or a national government because of corruption. The challenge there is how to address cases of corruption. It is not how to commit injustice on people because others have been committing corruption. No, that does not apply. So finally, honorable members, we therefore wish to request this committee to include in its report to the National Assembly a recommendation for the establishment of an independent commission by Parliament under Article 188 of the Constitution of Kenya to review and alter the boundaries of the affected counties by creating the new counties of Kuria, Suba, Teso, Mount Elgon, Ijara, Mwingi, Nakuru West, East Pokot, Wajir South, and Gucha. Thank you very much.
Before you conclude, Honorable Karoli,
yes.
Before you conclude,
yes,
and you can see our sympathies for your quest. Yes. But then, could you simply just comment on the matter of jurisdiction, insofar as this committee is concerned, vis-a-vis the issue you are canvassing? And
could I also request, I see on page 15,